No one appreciates the performance requirements of turbo machinery couplings better than Kop-Flex. We've designed and manufactured them for nearly 100 years. Kop-Flex created a program to restore and recertify your used Kop-Flex couplings to the API-671 standard, just like new, with the same warranty as new, but for about half the cost. This program applies to all of our disc, diaphragm, and gear couplings. We start with a complete mechanical, dimensional, and metallurgical inspection of your used coupling. Non-destructive tests ensure the integrity of the material and reveal any hidden damage. We renew the exposed metal surfaces without machining, using glass bead blasting. All the fasteners are replaced, along with the flexible elements in disc couplings. In the final step, we use state-of-the-art balancing equipment to ensure your coupling meets or exceeds the API-671 spec. Your coupling is as good as new after this, and we stand behind our recertification with that same warranty. You save 40 to 50% of the cost for a new coupling. In most cases, it takes just 4 weeks or less at one of our global service centers. Our turbo machinery specialists can tell you more. So call today.